Tell me more about this.
Oh, so kind of country gardening by Farmer Chaz. Essentially, during COVID, what I did was I turned gardening into a hobby. So my husband happens to be Caribbean. His family eats a lot of pepper sauce. So because I was growing a lot of hot peppers, I put different things with it, like mangoes, peaches, fruit, pineapples, whatever. Mixed them with the peppers and kept refining the ingredients. Now I make pepper sauce. So I have 3 flavors: sweet and tangy, which has pineapple and mango base; cobbler heaven, which is what we're making today, which has a peach base. And then
peach cobbler?
If you, it's
sweet like peach cobbler?
Sweet like, absolutely. Sweet like peach cobbler. And then I have what they call hot fire, which is made with the mango base, but it's made with like some of the hottest peppers in the world that I grow. I'll tell you why it's important to use gloves. Alright, so you gotta put on gloves. So we're cutting up these hot peppers. Let's say you touch your face or your mouth, it's gonna burn.
What?
Yeah, like, so if you're cutting it and you don't have on gloves and you touch the inside of the peppers and the seeds and all this other stuff, the oils from the peppers that get on your fingers, you gotta thoroughly wash your hands. And even that might not get all of the oils off of your hands. So you gotta put on gloves. So to be safe, put on gloves.
Chop it. Where's the rest of the peppers? No more peppers?
I cut them up. I'm a little faster than you. I'm used to this.
Wow.
Alright, so because I want people.
There you go.
Add a little sugar, a little kosher salt. But I can't. Okay. So now we're just gonna let this. All right. So Rashawn had to take a moment. What we're gonna do now is stir it. You don't want it to burn. You just want it to brown. While that's sauteing.
Just going all up in my nose.
You all right? How you fix it?
See? Look at that. It's getting all up in yours too now. Look at it. Damn sauce about to take both of us out.
Turn this on though. You probably should wear a mask. The fumes are very, very getting to your system. You can use white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, whichever you choose. Put peaches in there. Do you really have a mask on?
Yeah.
Alright. Pour it. Watch out. Drop some stuff over there. This is cobbler. We all know that peach cobbler has a little bit of cinnamon in it. Just a little bit. So we want it to liquefy. What sauces are liquid?
That's it. A minute?
Nope.
A few seconds.
I want to check the consistency of it. But I'm going to let it go a little bit longer.
It's supposed to be sweet. It's supposed to be.
A little sweeter than the other one.
Supposedly. Sweet?
You want some milk?
Yeah, I need some milk. Man, that is not sweet. Ain't nothing sweet about that.
It is sweet to some people. You just don't like spicy food.
Ain't nothing sweet about that.
So I'm gonna test it.
She said it's sweet. Is that sweet? See? Tomato's sweet.
What we're gonna do?
Put a whole bunch of sugar in it.
We are gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. One tablespoon.
Just 1 tablespoon of sugar. Need all that sugar in there. Smell hot. Smell hot.
It smells hot. Blender.
So you got like no set time that you put the blender on?
No, I gauge it by consistency.
I guess.
So, what a lot of people don't realize is, and I think this is more of a chemistry thing, is when people make sauces or homemade stuff, it's called like batch recipes. So, granted, they all have the same exact ingredients, but there's a slight chance that one may be hotter than the other, one may be sweeter than the other, but it's the same exact ingredients from the same exact kitchen, pretty much. And now, what we do is bottle it. So, grab me a couple of bottles. And then what I did was, someone actually ordered.
Somebody ordered this hot stuff?
Someone ordered. This is like the bigger bottle. It holds more fluid ounces. So let me get funnel.
Mercy on here.
And don't get none on your fingers.
I'm pouring none on my fingers. Oh, it's just hot. Oh, you put it to the top?
Just try to give them as much bang for their buck, because what happens is, stuff have bubbles, so by the time the bubbles come out of it,
Alright.
I basically do the same thing to each bottle. Then I label them, but that's it.
So I mean, you're supposed to have like 7
Usually,
bottles?
yeah, usually I can get close to 7 bottles per batch I make. But because I did a bigger bottle,
soy sauce. Ooh. It's good. Need more bottles. Got some on their hands. It's gonna be burning. I think so. The pepper sauce on my hands. One bottle. You let these sit out for a little bit?
Yeah. Because I want the air bubbles to go down as much as possible before I put like the little drip tops on.
Yeah.
And then I'll put the little black tops, and then all I do is do the shrink wrap around the thing. So whenever I ship them, they come nicely packaged.
So